I'm Bruce. You can see my Twitter handle up there, and that's all I'm going to say about me. And this is Mr. Qt. So Mr. Qt is a bug, and I quickly want to talk about what that means. There are lots of definitions for what bugs are, but my favourite and the only one I'm going to tell you about is one by James Bach, or Bach, I haven't decided yet. A bug is something that bugs someone who matters. So just hold that in your head for like 20 seconds. And Mr. Qt is a bug in Internet Explorer. And what he does is he stops users from knowing that they can click submit on a form by covering it stealthily with a picture of some legs. The question I want to explore is, when was Mr. Qt born? When is a bug made? So using James's definition in a way he would never approve of, it could be argued that Mr. Qt only becomes a bug when he bugs someone. So let's look at the first time that he bugs someone. This is Bruce, the handsomest QA in town. And they are in the process of detecting not only their own handsomeness, but also Mr. Qt. Now, until now, Mr. Qt the bug has only had the potential to bug someone. Now he's come out of the shadows, he's stripped off his doubts, he's stepped up to the stage and he's bravely declared, "I am here." And he has become a bug. And that presents a problem for Bruce, the handsome QA, because now Bruce has to bring up the bug and people will say, "Oh, well, it's only Internet Explorer, nobody actually uses it. And anyway, Mr. Qt is just such a cute little bug, you know?" So let's step back again and see if we can find somewhere earlier that we can kind of stop Mr. Qt, I suppose. This is Bernard, the most mysterious developer in town, and he is currently writing the bug. And by that, I mean he's writing the CSS using cool features like Flexbox and subgrids that are just not compatible with Internet Explorer. And he's doing that because he cares, because he's been told that the site has to be fully responsive and because he wants to make sure it looks good on all of the sizes. I mean, you take the site, put it down to like 160 pixels wide, it looks beautiful. So you could argue that this is where the bug is born. It's literally where the bug is being created, writing some code, and that is directly responsible for the fact that there is an Internet Explorer bug. But I think we should step back one more time. And this is a meeting. So you can see it's a planning meeting for the product. And here we see Bruce, we see Bernard, who's mysterious, and Blaminda, who's even more mysterious. We haven't even seen Blaminda's face. And Blaminda is kind of a product owner type of person, and they're having a conversation right now about requirements. And Blaminda knows something the others don't. She shares something. She says the site is for people who are homeless or at risk of becoming homeless, to help them access services and help that they might need. And what she doesn't explain is that the site will probably be accessed by those people in public libraries or on their behalf in hospitals and council offices, places that still use computers running Windows 95. Well, maybe like Windows XP. So they're definitely going to be running Internet Explorer, and a lot more people of their users are going to be using Internet Explorer than they might otherwise think. So I'd argue that this is where the bug is consummated, if you will. This is where the bug is born and realized. And this is where Bruce looks at this weird little gremlin face in the delivery room and then promptly passes out. So this has been a really fast talk about the whole team approach to quality. So everyone has to get involved at all the stages. Peace out.